Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on the CK Auto Universal Tire Repair Kit. So it comes in this nice little zipper pouch. I like that I can store this in my toolbox or my car really easy. Open it up and here's what we get. Okay, so let's unbox everything. Let's see exactly what we get. This is going to be a nice kit. These are nice, heavy duty. So you're going to find the hole in the tire, put this in there to kind of rough it up. Then you're going to put the plug in here, which you get a whole bunch of plugs. And then you're going to push it into the tire, and then you can use that to leave it in the tire and pull that out. Yeah, I like having this part here. That really helps. I can also change these out if I need to. And it does come with 2 extra ones. And I like it comes with a little knife to cut. Once you get the plug in the tire, you may want to cut the excess off. That's pretty nice. Now this is a little lubrication. It may be really hard to get that plug in, and you may want to lube it up with this, but that looks really nice. It even gives you step-by-step instructions. Pull the damage out, insert the T-handle probe, work it up and down several times, put the on there, lube it up, push it in, push that handle down like I showed you, and then you cut off the excess. Okay, so here are the individual plugs. Again, you're just going to take one of those out. They're really sticky. So yeah, you just take one of those plugs out, and that's what you're going to insert into here. There's a little cutout when you pull it out that way, but you're going to insert it in this. You got to get it in this port right here. Just work it back and forth. It'll eventually go through. Yeah, just keep working it. You get a little bit and then just pull it through. It's like you're going to thread this needle with this plug. So you want it about halfway. And again, you're going to clean out the hole with this. You may have to put a little lubrication on here now. Now I'm going to poke that into the hole where the air's coming out. And then it's going to stay in, and then use that to hold it down and then pull that out. And it should, and it will, slip past that little slit right there. And then you can cut the excess off. Looks like we get a valve removal tool, some caps. There is an Allen key to change out the heads. So if you need to change out that, you can change it out. There's a little Allen key in there and some caps. So a little valve core removal tool. That's nice. And some valve cores. Okay, let's go over some measurements. So these plugs, they're about 4 inches long. The tools themselves, about 6 inches. The handle's about 4. Where it's going to go into the tires, about 2.5. Okay, let's box everything back up. I like this little holder. Again, this was up here. These little elastic straps, that's nice. There's even one for this to go in. One for this. Maybe easier to put it in there like that. All right, now we're gonna zip it. May have to get some of that stuff out of the way. Yeah, it works better if you put that there. Now I can zip this. Let's find the zipper, and now let's measure it. 5.5 inches, 8.5 inches, thickness-wise, 2.25 inches. Yeah, I like it's even labeled. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.